And I put it into evidence, didn't play it, because I wanted to save it for closing argument, because there was so much evidence against my guy. All the prostitutes in Minneapolis came in and testified against him. 3. And they had his computer, which had all the ads for his pimpery business. All right, so, but I had this. Oh, let's hope it fades. Here we go. All right, I have to insert the video. Okay, we're going to insert a new video. That. When you move something over from one computer to another, you have to insert the video sometimes. Insert movie. Oh, I don't have any on there. That's because it's not on my computer. Oh man, you're not going to get to see it. How is that not? Yeah.
So I have a question about that. So, you know, so you're playing the Rapper's Delight song, and that's on your flash drive, right?
It's actually on my computer.
Right, but you
Oh,
brought
yeah.
in, so
It should be on here.
if you, after, you know, doing this demonstration, you created the slide with that song, and then the flash, you eject the flash drive, the flash drive is no longer attached to that computer. Is the song in the slide? Is it been copied into the slideshow, or?
That is an excellent, excellent question, and let me tell you. Yeah.
Can you avoid that problem by when you put your PowerPoint on the flash drive, you also insert your audio and video files and put them on the desktop? I think they just access them from the present computer.
Yeah, Noel, let me tell you how it works.
So,
When I make a PowerPoint presentation, I make a file folder, and I usually do it right on my desktop because I'm going to use it soon. And then every time I want to do sound, I put that sound clip in the file folder. And I do that before I insert it into my PowerPoint. Then when I move it, I move the whole thing. The new version of PowerPoint, you don't need to do that. It can be anywhere on your computer, and it doesn't have to, if you move it, it's okay.
but it sounds like it's never within the slide itself.
It's not embedded into the slide. I think the new version embeds it right into it, but the older versions doesn't.
So if you want to do it and you want to keep it all together in one package, wouldn't you want to hyperlink it to a file into a flash drive?
Yeah, you could do that,
So
but
it's always there, whether it be the flash drive in whatever computer you're using.
you could do that. I had it on my computer, and we said we couldn't get the projector to work with anything other than theirs. So we had about 2 minutes. I shoved it on a flash drive to move it over here. But you don't get to see the big finale because it's not on here. So I'm very sorry.
So, Andrea, you didn't give the judge a heads up?
No,
No.
not at all. Absolutely not.
So what's on it that you
She was bopping. Afterwards, the law clerk said, "Judge said that was one of the best PowerPoints she's seen." And the jury, but so his rap video, which is on my computer. I think we ought to. Oh, and what's really important is you just hear
Like
it.
him in the shower and rapping. So it is like a home video.
It is.
Terrible.
It is. Montgomery.
She would have been fine.
When was this case?
1998. That's when I started using PowerPoint.
Is your rapper guy?
Yeah. And I tend to do a quick transfer, so let's see. Yeah. No, this is what happened. This is what happened. There's a point where it's really a funny video, actually. The jury starts bopping, and they start looking over at him, and it's the first time they're looking at him. Because otherwise they hated him. And they're looking at him, and they're bopping, and this is an all-white old jury. And I'm bopping, and my whole office is up there, and sort of, you got away with it. And so, at the end, you know, overwhelming evidence. They acquitted him. Of one count. And I think it was only for the entertainment value of this video. There it is. It goes on and on and on, and I played the whole damn thing.
I'm not doing this with my island list.
Yeah. So there you go. That's technology, folks.
Hey, every other question.
Yeah.
David and I are going to go back and try to learn this, and you're not going to be there. How do we tutorial, the teach?
Well, let me ask you a question, Andrea. I know you're not leaving tomorrow. When you- Like this afternoon, we'd love to buy you some church chicken and Coca-Cola and sit in here this afternoon with our computers.
Oh, good. Chicken.
I don't make fun of your religion.
Oh, I have one. Oh, for God's sakes, I can't believe it. I have written someone. It's called, the Busy Lawyer's Handbook on Technology in the Courtroom. And I talk about how you insert video and audio and edit it. And I wrote one.